Good morning guys, in front of me is Asus Zenfone 11 Ultra, and let me show you how to locate IMEI number assigned to this device. At first open your phone dialer, then enter a secret code which is *pound 06 pound. And here we've got device information with both IMEI numbers included. Tap on OK to exit. And now you can also find IMEI via settings, so enroll list of all apps at first, go to settings, then select system, not system preferences, but system, and mark about phone. Here scroll just a bit lower, enter status, and go to IMEI information. And right here you also can read both IMEI numbers. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.